Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss series number 2 and part number 4, most important 500 MCQs series. So let's start from question number 61. A poison tree. In the poem, a poison tree represents. Options are hatred, love, education, religion. Correct answer option number A. It is related to hatred. A Poison Tea, published in 1974. It is a poem written by William Blake. William Blake belongs to Romantic period. The poison tree represents the growing anger in speaker's heart against his enemy. Next question. Which of Blake's poem deals with Jesus' ascension to heaven? Options are The Chimney Sweeper, Auguries of Innocence, Holy Thursday, The Sick Rose. Correct answer option number C, Holy Thursday. Holy Thursday, it is a poem written by Blake. The book Poems of Songs of Innocence, 1789. The poem depicts a ceremony held on Ascension's Day, which in England was then called Holy Thursday. Next question. Which one is Blake's first collection of poems? The Tiger, The Lamb, The Sick Rose, The Poetical Sketches. Correct answer option number D, Poetical Sketches. It's the first collection of poetry written by Blake and written between 1769 to 1777. Next question. Which tragedy did Wordsworth write? Options: The Othello, Dr. Faustus, The Duchess of Malfi, The Borderers. Correct answer option number D, The Borderers tragedy, written by Wordsworth during the period of 1795 to 97. Next question. What is the subtitle of Wordsworth Excursion? Options: Being a Portion of Recluse, a poem; Being a Human; Being a Poem; Being a Portion. Correct answer option number A, Being a Portion of Recluse, a poem, published in 1814. Next question. When was Tintern Abbey published? 1790, 1795, 1788, 1798. Correct answer option number D, 1798. It is written by William Wordsworth after a walking tour with his sister in the Tintern. Lines written in a few miles above Tintern Abbey is often abbreviated Tintern Abbey. Next question. The poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, also known as. Options: Intimations of Immortality, The Solitary Reaper, Daffodils, Ode to Duty. Correct answer option number C, Daffodils. I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. It is a lyric poem by William Wordsworth, published in 1807 in a Poems in 2 volumes. Next question. Which poet is also known as Opium Eater? William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, John Keats, P.B. Shelley. Correct answer option number B, S.T. Coleridge. Full name: Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Was an English poet, belonged to Romantic period. Coleridge died in 1834. Which other famous writer died in the same year? Charles Lamb, P.B. Shelley, William Blake, Walter Scott. Correct answer option number A, Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb was born on 10th of February 1775 and died 27th of December 1834. Was an English essayist, poet, best known for his essays of Elia. Next question. Ambrosio is a character from which one of the following works of Matthew Gregory Lewis? Options: The Monk, The Fusions of Sensibility, The Bravo of Venice, My Uncle's Garret Window. Correct answer option number A, The Monk. Ambrosio, The Monk, other name A Romance, is a Gothic novel by Matthew Gregory Lewis, published in 1796. Which one of the following is Leigh Hunt's first collection of poems? The Descent of Liberty, The Feast of Poets, Hero and Leander, and Juvenilia. Correct answer option number D. Juvenilia is the first collection of poems by Hunt. 1801 under the title of Juvenilia, introducing him into British literary and theatrical society. Next question. Which poem has the subtitle Rondeau? Jenny Kissed Me, The Story of Rimini, The Foliage, The Bacchus, and Ariadne. Correct answer option number A. The Jenny Kissed Me. It is a poem by Leigh Hunt, English essayist, first published in November 1838 by the Monthly Chronicle. When was Vindication of Rights of Women published? 1792, 1799, 1785, 1790. Correct answer option number A. 1792. A Vindication of Rights of Women with strictures on political and moral subjects, written by 18th century British proto-feminist Mary Wollstonecraft. Next question. What is the subtitle of Mary by Wollstonecraft? A Fiction, Perfection, A Tale of Women. Correct answer option number A. A Fiction. Published in 1788. A Mary, A Fiction is the only complete novel by Mary Wollstonecraft. Next question number 75. The line "and never lifted up a single stone" appears in which of the following poems of Wordsworth? The Solitary Reaper, Daffodils, Michael, a pastoral poem, Ode to Duty. Correct answer option number C. Michael, a pastoral poem. Written by William Wordsworth in 1800. First published in 1800 in an edition of Lyrical Ballad. Next question. Who said, "I have a smack of Hamlet myself, if I may say it so"? William Wordsworth, Matthew Arnold, P.B. Shelley, S.T. Coleridge. Correct answer option number D. S.T. Coleridge said this phrase. To whom did Charles Lamb dedicate Essays of Elia? S.T. Coleridge, Mary Lamb, Mary Wollstonecraft, William Wordsworth. Correct answer option number A. S.T. Coleridge. Next question. Which one of the following is the first collection of poems of Lord Byron? Options: She Walks in Beauty, Fugitive Pieces, Maid of Athens, Lara, A Tale. Correct answer option number B. A Fugitive Pieces. Fugitive Pieces, Byron's first volume of verse, was privately printed in the autumn of 1806 when Byron was 18 years of age. Next question. What was the reason of Keats' death? Heart attack, lung cancer, accident, tuberculosis. Correct answer option number D. Tuberculosis. Keats died at the age of 25. Next question. What was the original title of Pride and Prejudice? Novel written by Jane Austen. First Impression, Impression First, Prejudice and Pride, Proud Impressions. Correct answer option number A. First Impression. It is an romantic novel of manners written by Jane Austen in 1813. The working title of this was First Impression. The novel follows the character development of Elizabeth Bennet.